Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Discord on your Windows device. So let's get started. To begin, open up your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, and copy the link provided in the description below. Now paste the link into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the official Discord website. Once you've landed on the website, locate and click on the Download for Windows button. This will initiate the download of the Discord installer onto your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to the location where the installer file has been saved. Double-click on the file to run it. If prompted, click on Run to start the installation process. Now sit back and patiently wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, Discord will automatically launch and you will be greeted with the Discord home screen. From here, you have two options: signing in to your existing Discord account or creating a new one. If you already have an account, simply enter your email, our username, and password, then click Login. However, if you don't have an account yet, click on the Register button and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Discord on your Windows device. Now you can connect with friends and family, and even make new connections, all for free. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.